What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a daily analysis of NAS 100, S&P 500, and US 30. If you haven't seen the last video that I did on it to kind of give you an understanding of where I am in the market, just check the link in down below or somewhere in the cards right here. I'll have the previous daily analysis video for you to go ahead and look at as we go and get this started right now. Okay, so my breakdowns, I have my trade criteria right here. That's all I'm looking for in the market. Yesterday we had something happened right here on this line, but we're gonna start with the S&P 500. I do see some equal highs right here that will be taken out, so buys are highly sought after, but I also see this imbalance right here, this imbalance that starts off right here and kind of ends right there. I'm going to refine that on the 3-minute, but I'm not seeing like any new setups right now. I'm not seeing any new setups. I do see us, we can actually go tap up to actually do this. We could do something like this, and then we'll be heading down over there, but you know, we don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and refine this a little bit better. I definitely see this area right here. Let's see, I'm gonna get this, refine this a little bit better, and bam. Get this 3-minute order block. All right, so what I basically did right there is I targeted the area of imbalance where there was no wicks or no candle bars actually being printed there, or no buy candle bars actually being printed there. So that's a good area to me to go ahead and buy. I'm gonna be doing a live trade today. I did say that I was gonna do it next week, but this one would be a very good one to go ahead and do. So for S&P 500, let's see, I'm gonna put this right here. It's about 11 pips stop loss. I'm going for like a 1 to 2. And then I'm going to set the alert. Supply zone. Okay. All right, so that's it for S&P 500. Now we're about to hop on to NAS 100. Okay, same situation, just a little bit different with NAS 100. The same thing as S&P. We definitely have equal highs right there that will be taken out. Equal highs right there. And then we have this area of imbalance right here. Let's go down to the 3-minute to refine this a little bit better. I actually like the way that looks, but let me see how many pips that's going to be. That's pretty high. So 42 pip stop loss is definitely high. I would say we'll just have to wait and see how the candle formation is, and then I'm able to like adjust my risk a little bit better. I will. That's basically it for now. I'm into sales today. Definitely into sales. I don't see any buying opportunities right now. Maybe this area right here. Let me go ahead and investigate a little bit, but this is a Asian low. So if anything, I'd see what happens in this area. I'll put an alert like right down here. If it hits it, you'll see possible demand area. But it's weak, so it may get blasted through and stuff like that. But I'm mostly into the into the buys. I might be getting into a buy on NAS just to go ahead and trail it up and then just sell it back down. let's go on the final one, US 30. US 30 is a big guy, so I really like to pay attention to this one because it does a lot of fake outs. It doesn't do with, I mean, NAS and S&P will trick you out too, but just not like US 30. That thing is like a different beast. I'm gonna go briefly back on NAS and S&P just to kind of see, and you can kind of see the difference, or the slight difference in the candle formations and stuff like that. Like right here, we have equal lows right here. We have equal lows, so that is definitely something that might be just taken out. But nonetheless, let's get started with US 30, and so we can get on with our day. Okay, so this is US 30. This is on the 15-minute. This was the previous low that became the high of the day and stuff like that. So it's just kind of following the lines of what's going on. Let me see. So we're gonna go set up new lines for US 30 to kind of see where the market's gonna go at. This definitely is equal highs, strong equal highs. Nothing broke it. So this one would be the previous high of the day because we have a low of the day now. This will be this is the previous low of the day, but it's not that strong, so I'm not gonna go with it. But that area that you see right there, the same area that we had seen on NAS 100 and S&P 500, it's crazy that the imbalance is right there on the previous low of the day. That's why I said we watch the highs and the lows of the days on the trade criteria of how I trade and stuff like that, because it just ends up working. Let me see. So we got a high of the day over here for US 30. See, and then US 30 actually created our low of the day, but it's pretty weak, so I'm not going to go ahead and mark that. But what I will mark for US 30 is that same box that we had put in. We find it a little bit better. All right, let's go on the 3 minute. Let's see what that looks like. All right, pretty nice. It does look like a lot of pips, but we're definitely going to see the candle formations that happen outside of these, because I'm definitely thinking that it's going to fill this all the way in, and then just go back down. Let me see, going back out on the 15-minute, just to make sure that I won't get hit on any fake outs right here. I'm gonna put my stop just right there. And if we get a candle formation that's good, probably like right there and stuff like that, we can potentially make a lot of money. But anything that just kind of breaks up above here, I won't be getting in that trade. We have some imbalance right here. There's definitely some imbalance. So I mark that in as the imbalance right there. Let's go on the 3 minute to look at US 30. US 30's high. I do see equal highs up here. And this move was already tested, so it's most likely that when it comes back up here, it's not gonna sell. It's gonna probably just sell a little bit. Let me see, just making sure. So we got US 30 all set and ready to go. I'm gonna set an alert for a supply zone so I don't miss it. This is our for the setup, waiting for the setups to come to us. And that's pretty much it. If you haven't checked out all my other videos, I would highly recommend you looking at them. And if you haven't already, go check out my Telegram. It's a growing Telegram. It's completely free. I'm just trying to grow it, just spread awareness for everybody, what's going on and how I trade in the markets and stuff like that. Just check out my playlist. I have a ton of content that's coming out and that's out there right now to help you with your trading journey. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys next time.